Model number 5, Numerical Methods. Numerical method is a technique to find the approximate result to any given problem with the help of calculator is called numerical method. In numerical method, there are two types of equation. One is algebraic equation and another one is transcendental equation. Algebraic equation means if the equation containing algebraic quantities like x, x square, x cube, etc. So such types of equation is called algebraic equation. Then transcendental equation means if the equation containing non-algebraic quantities like exponential function, trigonometric function, logarithmic function. So such types of equation is called transcendental equation. Forward differences. Suppose y equal to f of x has the values in the form of x value as x0, x1, x2 up to xn, y value as y0, y1, y2, y3 up to yn. We have to arranging these values in the tabular form. So such types of table is called forward difference table. Here we have to preparing the table. So x value as x0 to up to xn, y value as y0, y1, y2 up to yn. Then first one is first differences. So first differences means we have to subtracting second term minus first term. That is y1 minus y0, which is denoted as triangle y0. Then subtract y2 minus y1, it is denoted as triangle y1. Then y3 minus y2, subtract y3 minus y2, it is denoted as triangle y2. So we'll continuing the same process, we'll get the first differences. Then second differences means again subtract second term minus first term. Triangle y1 minus triangle y0, which use the triangle square y0. Again subtract triangle y2 minus triangle y1. So this result is denoted as triangle square y1. So which gives the second differences. Similarly, third differences is subtract triangle square y1 minus triangle square y0, which gives the triangle cube y0. Then triangle square y2. Continuing the same process till we get the single value in the last column. So this table is called forward difference table. If you use the topmost value in the table, is called forward difference table. And if you use the bottom of the or end value of the table, then it is called backward difference table. So here I will show you the backward difference table. So here if you use the end of the tabular value, then it is called backward difference table. So this is about forward and backward difference. Next is interpolation and extrapolation. Suppose in the table of x and f of x here, if you want here x values are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. or otherwise you have to use odd number also. Then f of x has 7, 8, 5, 9, 15, 20, etc. The process of finding the value of f of 5, f of 7.8, f of 11, etc. So here 5, 7.8, 11. So these number which lies in between 2 to 12. So in this region the values will lies here. So such types of values is called interpolation. And extrapolation means f of 1. So f of 1 is not belongs to the interval 2 to 12. F of minus 5. So minus 5 is not belongs to the interval 2 to 12. Similarly f of 27. So 27 is also not belongs to the value in the interval 2 to 12. So such types of value is called extrapolation. With the help of interpolation and extrapolation, now we'll discussing Newton-George forward interpolation formula. So this is the Newton-George forward interpolation formula. Y naught plus r triangle y naught r minus 1 divided by 2 factorial triangle square y naught etc. So here the formula for calculating r value is r equal to x minus x naught divided by h here. So h is called step length. So this formula is called Newton-George forward interpolation formula. Then Newton-George backward interpolation formula. So here yr equal to yn plus r del yn r plus 1 2 factorial del square yn. So this formula is called Newton-George backward interpolation formula. So r formula is x minus xn divided by h here. So x naught is initial value, xn working rule. First point is we first construct the difference table according to the given x and f of x value. Second point is calculate the r value with the help of r formula for forward and backward interpolation formula. Then substitute the tabular value along with r value in the forward or backward difference formula. So you'll get it the value of y here. So now we'll discussing the working rule by using the example. First example, the table given distances in nautical miles of visible horizon for the given heights in feet above the earth surfaces. X and y value. So x values are 100, 150, 200, 250, 400. Y values are 10.63, 10.03, etc. So find the values of y when x equal to 218 feet. Second one is x value as 410 feet. We have to preparing x and y value solution. The difference table is x and y. So you have to write the x and y value in column form here. Then prepare the first differences. So subtract 13.03 minus 10.63. So which is the value of 2.40. Then subtract 15.04 minus 13.03 and write in between these two values which is the 2.01. So continue the same process here. So finally we'll get it these types of value. So now you have to say x equal to 218. So 218 is near to the 100. Then we have to using forward formula. If x is equal to 410 which is close to the end value, then we have to using backward interpolation formula. So 100 is called x naught value, 400 is called end value or xn value. So here we using the topmost value. If we take here we using the topmost value, this one is called x naught value, y naught value, triangle y naught, triangle square y naught, triangle cube y naught, triangle raised to 4 y naught here. Then r value is for forward difference formula x minus x naught divided by h here. So x is the given value 218, h means difference here 150 minus 100 is 50, 200 minus 150 is 50. So h value is 50. Substitute all these values in r formula and after simplifying we will get it r value as 0.3. So now we using the Newton's forward interpolation formula. So substitute y naught value as actually 10.63, then triangle y naught, triangle cube y naught here. Then after simplifying we will get it f of 218 value. Second example, the population of a town is given by the following data. Year 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. So population in these years are 19.96 up to 94.58 here. Using Newton's forward and backward interpolation formula, calculate increase in the population from the year 1975 to 2005. So first one, prepare the table for x and y, 71, 81, 91, 2001, 11. So beginning value is called x naught value, end value is xn. Y values are 19.96 to 94.95. So subtract second term minus first term, which used triangle y, third term minus second term 19.16, and so on. So we'll continue this same process till the end column containing only single value 0.08 here. Here x is equal to 19.75. So it is close to x naught value. We have to using forward interpolation formula, and 2005 is close to the end value. We will applying the backward interpolation formula. So you have to use topmost value and bottom value of forward difference table. So x is 1975, close to x naught. So use the topmost value and substitute these values in R formula. So you'll get it R equal to 0.4 here. So h is difference between 1981-71 is 10. 1991 to 1981 difference is 10. So that use the h value. So substitute all these values in Newton's Georgette forward interpolation formula. So here we'll substitute all these values. So you'll get it the increase of population in the year 1975 is 27.8826. Then second one is 2005. So 2005 is close to the end value. So use the bottom value, x equal to 2005. So these are all bottom value of the table. So use these values in R formula, that is using Newton backward difference formula, which gives the R value as minus 0.6 here. So substitute these values in backward difference formula. So after simplifying, we will get it the increase of population in the year 2005. So after subtracting these two results, so which is the total increase of the population between 1975 to 2005. So subtract these two results, which is equal to 56.38, which is in thousand. So this much value will increases the. For more example, you have to refer our PDF notes here. So all these examples are similar. Next example. From the following table, estimate the number of students who obtain the marks between 40 and 45. So marks are given in X, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, up to 70 to 80. So these are all in range. Marks are in range. Number of students will obtain the marks. So 31 students, they will obtain the marks between 30 to 40. 42 students, they will obtain the marks between 40 to 50. And similarly 31 students, they will obtain the marks between 70 to 80. Now we will calculate total number of students who will obtain the marks in between 40 and 45. Solution. So here x values are in range. We have to rewriting the table, because if the values of x in range, it is not possible to calculate the h value. So hence we will rewriting the x term, such as marks less than x, the number of students. So marks less than 40. So 31 students, they will obtain the marks less than 40. Then marks less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. So now marks less than 80. Number of students 73. So you have to add 42 plus 31. So 73. 73 students, they will obtain the marks less than 70, less than 50. Then less than 60. add 31 plus 42 plus 51, which gives 124. So 124 students, they will obtain the marks less than 60. So we will continuing the same rule, and then we will preparing the difference table. Preparing the difference table. Topmost value we have to use, because x is given, x value is 45. So find the students with marks less than 45. 45 is close to x naught value, therefore we will using the forward interpolation formula. X naught value y naught, triangle y naught, triangle square y naught, triangle cube y naught. Then our formula is x minus x naught divided by h. X is 45, then x naught is 40 initial value. H, difference between 40 and 50, 10, 50 and 60, 10, 60, 70, 10. H value is 10. After simplifying, you will get it R value as 0.5. So use the topmost value and R value in Newton forward interpolation formula and simplify. We will get it answer as 47.87. So 45 students, they will obtain the marks less than 45 is 47.87. When x is equal to 40, so 40 is close 40. So 31 students, they will obtain the marks less than 40. Here we will using the direct value of 31. Then we will subtracting the answer 47.87 and 31. So which use the 17. So 17 student, they will obtain the marks between 40 and 45. So whenever the value of x is in the range, you have to apply the same rule, that is rewrite the table and eliminate these range, then solve the problem. Next example is use appropriate interpolating formula to calculate y of 82 and y of 98. So y of 82 is close to 80, apply the forward interpolation formula, and y equal to 98 is close to end value, that is x, and use the backward interpolation formula. By applying both the formula, we will calculating y of 82 and y of 98. The solution is similar like the previous example.